Check the leading edge here, near the injection port.
Looks clean. The laser scan showed no particulates above tolerance.
The specialized robotic sprayer applies a uniform layer of aerospace-grade release agent. A thermal imaging camera can
I've cleared the debris from the runner channels.
Applying the agent now. We need a uniform coat for the aerodynamics.
The multi-axis water jet precisely trims the carbon fiber sheets, maximizing material usage as part of our lean manufacturing process.
This manual dexterity is required for complex curves and localized reinforcement areas specific to the tail sector. The vacuum drawdown check ensures optimal levels are maintained, confirming the material is tightly compressed to
Here we see the MiG-AT's massive wing mold, process A, slowly transported towards the autoclave. The motorized platform precisely guides the MiG-AT wing mold into the autoclave for the critical high-pressure, high-temperature curing cycle.
The pressure curve is holding steady at the maximum threshold.
Confirmed. Temperature alignment is perfect. We have achieved full structural consolidation.
engaging the crane. Clear to lift.
Confirmed. Ascent looks good.
Surface feels completely smooth here.
No pinholes or resin pooling detected under the light sweep.
Verify the connection points on the fuel line harness.
Confirmed. All green for Process B.
Final actuator attached.
Verifying torque sequence now. Looks solid.
Confirmed. Proceed to next stage.
Circuit check complete. Confirmed. Ready for sealing.
The finished composite wing is moved into a clean room style booth, where automated sprayers apply a high gloss.
Rows upon rows of finalized MiG-8 wings await the next stage. The climate-controlled environment ensures structural integrity before fuselage integration.
The automated crane precisely retrieves the finished composite wing, completing process A.
We need to verify the alignment before the robotic arms engage.
I've checked the schematics. The tolerances are within spec.
The mounting points look clear on the scope.
Confirmed. No debris visible. I'll note it on the tablet.
Safely. The airframe is lifted higher on the jig, allowing the automated lifts to position the main landing gear.
All right, hold at the marker.
Position confirmed. Clear to power down the tractor.
The final verification confirms the MiG-AT's low gross weight of just under 5,000 kilograms, a testament to the advanced composite construction.
Engine 1 stabilized.
Parameters nominal. We are showing green across the board.
Full cycle test complete. Ailerons, elevators, and rudder movement confirm nominal across all parameters.
All tests are complete. Here is the final certification for the MiG-AT.
Thank you. We accept delivery. The aircraft is approved for service.
Forward gear indicates green, crew chief.
Roger, signaling the cockpit. Fuel specialist, status update.
Fueling in progress, estimate 5 minutes to full.
Alignment complete, systems check passing.
Confirmed. Reviewing navigation inputs.
You may initiate the start sequence now.
Engine 1 and 2 light off. Parameters are in the green.
Flaps, set takeoff.
Set.
Trim, in the green.
Checked.
The MiG-AT executes a gentle bank,
The prosperous must grow positively.
Flying in perfect unison, the MiG-ATs showcase the replicability of our advanced industrial production pipeline and successful delivery to the customer.